Hello and welcome to lesson number 3 in my quick chord series. So today we are going to be looking at the G major chord and exactly how to build that. If you're quite familiar with a fretboard and you know where the strings are, you know which frets are which, then this is the perfect place to start. You want to be right here. If you're still a little bit unfamiliar on exactly what the strings are and which frets are which, I would recommend you checking out the video that I've linked above. That is just a video that shows you your way around a fretboard and introduces you to the strings and the chords. So I would start with that if you're a bit unsure, but otherwise this is the right place to be. Diving in for a closer look at this G major, I'm also going to have it displayed up on the screen so it's easy for you guys to see exactly what's happening, okay? So there are two different ways to play it that I like to use. One of them just makes it easy to transition to a C chord, so I'm a fan of that one in particular, but I'll show you both. So the one on screen right now, what you'd want to do is take your pinky finger, put that on the 3rd fret on string number 1. Then you want to go ahead and take finger number 3, so that is your ring finger. You want to put that on string number 6, right up at the top on fret number 3 as well. And then you want to take your 2nd finger, so your middle finger, and that's going to go on fret number 2, string number 5. So once you've got that nice and down, nice and firm, you play all the strings. The other way to play it, this is an Oasis style to play it actually, so if you're going to play Wonderwall, for example, this is the kind of G that you might use. So you want to keep your pinky finger on fret number 3, string number 1, put your index finger, sorry, not your index finger, ignore that, your ring finger, this one, right above your pinky. So again, fret number 3, but this time a string number 2. You want to then take your index finger, that's the right one this time. We're going to pop that on string number 5 on fret number 2, and our middle finger reaches past that, goes onto fret number 3, string number 1, 6, string number 6, the top string. That is just two of many different ways on how to play the G major. Neither's better than the other, just use whichever one you find more comfortable to use yourself, so try them both out. Once you have nailed that G major, I would recommend just checking out a few of the other videos on this playlist. They'll help introduce you to some of those chords that we should be really nailing at the start of our guitar career. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that was useful.